Okay, welcome back. So today we're going to look at modular division as well as a different type of division called integer division. So in programming, when you do division, you couldn't just do straight up division. Maybe we're going to take two numbers and divide them together and you just want to do that. You can totally do that, and that will just display the decimal point right here. In this case, it won't display the decimal point, it's just going to display the integer. But if you wanted to, you could also use an integer division in this case. If you remember, if you watched this previous video, we were looking at taking this number, these are two floats, and we're converting it and just looking at the integer. You can also, if we were doing some division, we can do this integer division right here, where this is going to take those two numbers and it's going to just take this first number and this number, divide them, and then it's only going to display the integer. Okay, so if we were going to do that, let's just go ahead and print num3. And let's just go ahead and do some simple, quick. Let's say we're going to do 6.2 and 3. Okay, so there should be some sort of leftover here, right? Because we have the 0.2, but this is going to be 3.0, and we're dividing this. So there should be some leftover, but if we run this, it's going to come up to 2.0 because it is only looking at, it's only going to display the integer of this. Now it's going to put it in float form because that's what these are, and it's going to apply that. But notice it didn't do anything with the 0.2. If I just did this, and let's run that code again, we'll do 6.2 and 3, you're going to get a long number here, right? 2.0666667, and it rounds at the end there. And so this is just one different way to do some math here, where if you want to just look at the integer, you can do that. And then we're going to create another variable here and call this num4. You also have another type of division called modular division. And in this case, let's say we want to look at just the remainder of these two numbers. So again, we got that 0.0666667 thing there. We're going to do the exact same thing, but what we're going to do is say num1, and then we're going to use this symbol right here. The percent symbol is actually modular division. And what that does is it looks for the remainder. Okay, we can also use this to find whether a number is even or not, or if it's odd or not, but that's for another video. You can use this to find, you can use modular division to come up with a way to find the even and odd numbers. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and print num3. We're also going to print num4. Oops. Okay, so let's go ahead and take a look and see what this does. We're going to use that 6.2 again, and we're going to use 3. And so what happened here, this is just the remainder, okay, 2.0, and then this finds the modular of this, or finds the remainder of those two numbers. Okay. All right. I think that's about all I want to cover today. But that's how you do these two different types of divisions. You have integer division, you have modular division. Okay. Hopefully that helps you, and good luck on your coding.